Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Trading Unite Crypto Observer Groups. So it's 2025 July 26th, and it's a time for Asia for the trading, and it's also 8:20 a.m. in Beijing time. So let's start our sharing today. I believe that all of you guys faced with a very amazing trading day yesterday. You can see that. Well, the Bitcoin is especially in the Asia time faced with dramatic slump. So you can see the lowest position is just around 2050K. And they just test the blue areas. You can see that, but now it's just come back to the green area. Still and not bad phenomena, but it also just tests the semi gap. There's still you can see that. There's still a very big semi gap. We don't know how to just fill up for this such a high gap, but we still need to be careful to see that where there's the lowest position just comparing to the yesterday. It's pretty important, and also Ethereum face a relatively small fluctuations, but we still need to be careful. You can see that although it now is above the supporting areas, but we are ready not to see the higher point over the 5 days. So if they can just make the high levels in the short term, maybe we might see the same gap in the next few days. So we must be too careful about it. So let's start our sharings today and see. Well, yesterday Vivian she make the relax and don't do some trade, and they also not write her analyze. So let's just about see Johnny. Okay. Okay, so Johnny said, well, market selling is, you can see the 80,000 Bitcoin and price only moving. 3% is insane. We are going such higher. Maybe a little bit of weekend drop, but I expect we get brought back Monday when stocks and ETFs opens back up. And feeling good with Bitcoin and Ethereum positions. For now, nothing else to do while it's the weekend. So really easy validations across the market. We'll be scanning into SPX, Filecoin, Pengu, Penu. You can see so far so good. Perfect reaction, but honestly, probably expecting little growing PA over the weekend. So yeah, so that's Johnny's opinion. What about Wood? Let's see. Okay, Wood just yesterday do some trades. Okay, his Sonana is doing a very good job. So you can see that. Okay, so just yesterday he did the Sonana and make profit. You can see it's not bad. Also limit, he also get a Bitcoin limit. So in addition, it's not bad. And let's see about Bolton. Okay, so that's the Bolton Bitcoin market analysis news for today. No major market events scheduled. Eyes remain on risk assets and legacy correlations. And yesterday's price action was nice. Value built tight inside the previous range, nice known on the London Open, which took its sweet time to come to target. Market is breaking down off the 40 days range and the morning setups. Bitcoin is range bound and compressing. Build values near mid-range levels, current holding above PDVAL, but with no strong initiative push yet. Daily structure is natural. We're still within the balance, and the long setup we need to be careful. 150,000, 130,000, 112,000, and 110,000. Short setup 170,000, 160,000 and 900, 150,000 and 500. Key observation: if PD low around 170,400 gets swept and reclaims, I'm interested in a long. No active trades at the moment. Setups are reaction based. Today's plan is to stay patient and let the market develop. We'll be watching the edges of the range of potential entries. So that is Fortune's ideas. Let's see about Daniel. Daniel just said a lot of things. I'll just choose a part of it to share with you guys. Okay, so he said, still think I would have been a good idea to short around 160k today. And why would I want to do a short at HTF support zone? Okay, you are talking about the 1 minute chart scalp. I'm talking about swing trade entry. For scalp trade perspective, you can always look for long or short at any point of the day. After I said that the price dropped today, so no, if you shorted probably underwater ATM from support. That's why I say it doesn't make sense for me. I understand your argument and point of view, I do, but it's simply you saying it's a good short on a 1 minute chart, and I'm saying I'm looking for a swing trade for higher term time frame support. I would have shorted today if you got a rise to 170,000 and rejection on the rally. What I mean is, I would not short as prices moving down of course every rally to a resistance I would show. So and there's a higher made, so the market structure long active now. So that is Daniel's opinion. This end of in the image is a kind of chart with her members, and it's actually just a type of teaching maybe. Okay, so can I see about? Okay, that's all. And okay, let's say more one. You can see the gold also said the U.S. sessions has started, as is until now Galaxy sellers would have shown that, but we can see that the Bitcoin holding on to the AOI buildup from last night can be seen in the chart, but we had Sailor who cranked up of his offering from you can say 500 million to 1.5 billion. So now this can be used as a floor needed. Otherwise, we do not want to see prices rolling back to the lower zones like 112k to 130k. That is good idea. So that is all of the trading. We know that we're testing the lab, and we found that the ladder makes the best job during the last few days. He makes the two profit, AVE and Bitcoin, all good and not bad. And other guys still need to be observed. It still need the time to test. So that's all of the sharing. So if you like our videos, you can just subscribe us, and our society also have the opportunity to get the free experience. You can just experiment our society to see what some of the functions or something like that we have. So that's all of the sharings. I hope you enjoy your day. So see you tomorrow. Bye bye.